Hey, what's up guys, it's Vinny and you're watching My Next Best. In this video I've got another interesting product, a very interesting one. This is the BENQ TK850 4K DLP projector, and as you can see I've got the box slightly open already, but I can give you a quick overview, but it's really an unboxing. I just wanted to get the seal out in time, otherwise it's quite difficult to get the bit on the top, this bit out of the way. It was quite hard. So yeah, this is just a standard box with some information, brighten up, good entertainment, all that stuff. And on this side you've got some feature information. So you've got 4K HDR, HDR Pro, Rec 709 Sport Mode, 3D support, MEMC, Memcache or something, USB reader, auto keystone protection, auto keystone correction, vertical lens as shift, and 100-inch at 2.5 meters. So within just 2.5 meters you can project to 100 inches. So yeah, on the other side as well it's pretty much the same. A bit more about the branding, BENQ, product name, digital projector. Right, power rating, 50 to 60 hertz, 10 to 240 volts at 3.40 ampere, made in China, and December 2022 is the make of this model, and based in London. That's the import. Okay, so without any further ado, let me just open the box and let's get the content out. Okay, I think I should actually drop it down so it's easier to see. Right, so cabling, there's EU plug and UK plug. This one's the EU plug, and that comes standard with BENQ. This is the UK plug. Quick start guide with 2 batteries, with a CD as well. Who uses CDs these days? And there's the remote. Let's have a look. I'll just be gentle with this one. There we are. So projector remote. It's got power button, lit up remote, keystone correction, default, test pattern, volume, mute, minus, plus, Lumi Expert, HDR, Cinema Master, 3 different modes, and color manage, gamma, sharp, sound mode, peak mode, 3D, and eco blank, light mode, dynamic iris. And the back side will also have the compartment for batteries. And let's get the projector out of the way. I'm quite excited. This is one of the ones that I've been waiting on to get my hands on. Quite reasonably priced, but it's generally quite expensive. It was just Black Friday sale again. That's got me this one, as you can imagine. Oh, not too big. I was expecting a little bit more, but no, it's not. Don't know why I was expecting more, but here we are. A bit heavy. I can sense that. Okay, so let's get it out of the bag. There's a little seal over here. Let's get it out. Gentle, nice and gentle, good. And here's the projector. Wow, looks really good. Wow, this is really good. So at first you've got the, let's get rid of the stuff. Just leave the remote here. Let's get rid of the bag as well, the box, sorry. And this is what I would need. Everything else can stay away. Right, so what do we have here? We've got the projector itself with DLP. It's a DLP projector. It's got DLP in there. There's the Epson one, which has got 3 LCDs, so basically 3 LCD mirrors that reflect light and essentially then to project essentially. So this is the one that's got a completely different method. So that's the lens over there, or lamp, I suppose. No, the lens, sorry. Lamps, that's why. But, let's get it back locked. Better to keep it locked, otherwise it can get quite dusty. So yeah, I've got some buttons up top. It's got power button and temp, lamp button should turn on, of course. There's about 3 years or 4 years of lamp life on this projector, and then you get a replacement. You have to get a replacement then. That will be about 100 quid for a replacement, roughly that. But it's a good projector overall. The build quality is really good. It's got all those bells and whistles, the features and things. And I was actually thinking of checking if at the back side, if it's got all those holes for mounting. Oh yeah, it's got, well, okay. There's one over here, 1, 2, let's get it actually on this one here. Okay, let's have a look. So you've got 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 3. So you can use these 3 for projection, like mounting. And I don't know if these ones are, no, center of gravity here. You've got these, so it has to be like that. I was thinking if, no, these ones are just the screws to open the back panel, I suppose. And you can obviously adjust this based on your height requirements, and this as well from the front if you want to sort of mount it onto the table. And what's the purpose of this? Maybe for the other fronts. Okay, so let's just turn it around. Let's have a look at the back side. So back menu source, all these different button options, OK button in the front, and you've got focus, zoom and lens shift over here, RG2, and it says Cinemaster 2, Cinemaster Video Plus. At the back side you've got quite a few interesting ports. So you've got 12-volt trigger, you've got RS-232, you've got service port, you've got USB 3, you've got HDMI 1, which is HDCP 2.2, and HDMI 2, which is also HDCP 2.2. So they are like high-end ports, HDMI ports, and you've got 2.5 amp fast USB port. You've got SPDIF for optical and audio out as well, and you've got the standard power connector cable port at the back. So we've got quite a few options, variety at the back. So yeah, so let's just look around on this side. So you've got heat sinks over here, as it shows, heat sink over here. And as you can see, the whole grill, the mesh on the inside, you can see certain things going on. Not the lamp, but some fan. So there's a fan I can see over here for heatsink, of course. And let's turn to the front, which I haven't shown you yet, which is like one of my favorite ones. The whole color, this whole thing looks so intricate, so nice. Such flush and soft. I really like this. Okay, so in the front you've got the cover for your lens, and it says HDR, and what happens to that? It stays as is, I think. Can this be removed? No, probably not. So yeah, so lens over here, 4K lens. I think this is for the remote IR receiver. And let's turn around. BENQ branding over here. And what else do we have on this side? Oh, again, heatsink, serial number. And no, nothing else much. Nothing much. I'll put this back on. I have to get some mounting stuff done before we start to use it. Oopsie daisy. And you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say that's it. That's the end of the video. But really, that is really the end of the video. I haven't started this yet. I wanted to test it out a little bit and bring it back for you guys to see the update on this and how I'm going to be able to grow with this projector. I'm looking forward to it, really. So yeah, that's really pretty much it for this video. And if you've got any questions or queries about this projector or any other projector, please do let me know. Do post in the comment section below. I'll get back to those as soon as I possibly can. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my next best. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and I'll see you in my next best. Cheers. Bye-bye.